What's up, guys? Mr. Chan here coming at you for model number 6. I hope you guys are all doing well. Looks like the restrictions are lifting today when you get this video, so hopefully we'll see how this goes and it'll hopefully go well. Guys, I'm trying not to stress you out. I'm realizing online school is becoming really stressful for a lot of students, so most of my modules are going to be really quicker, and I hope that's okay with you. So this first one, same old, quick introduction, but there's the video link that you're watching right now. You're just going to be creating this. Now, we're trying to get to a point where we can create something a little more complicated like this, that you could 3D print something like this for architectural modeling. You could build a statue. Some people even could build a whole chess out of 3D printing, and I think that's pretty fascinating. And I regret that we're not going to actually get the chance to print these this year, but certainly we can print these next year when you guys are juniors if you want. Anyways, you're going to go to Tinkercad, and you're going to just make sure you understand when you log in. It'll take you to any other projects you have, but you can just hit this button up here, and it'll give you a blank slate. And I think that's the biggest one. Oh, why are you not giving me a blank slate? Oh, this is cool. Well, anyways, you hit this button right here. It's just slow right now. And it gives you a whole new thing where you can create a new design, or you can just hit create new design. Shoot, there it is right there. Okay, and then you can start from scratch. So go ahead and build a four-legged table. All right, this is my example of a four-legged table that I could 3D print. If you are stuck, scroll to the bottom, and I gave you step-by-step instructions that'll help you do it really, really quickly. All right, hope this helps. And after doing that, you can go on to the next module.